Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your December read. Let's see what December is going to bring for you, Sagittarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of December. Thank you. Alright, Saggis, let's start. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, are you planning something currently? Bottom of my deck, my God, the Six of Cups. It's going to be a fun time, maybe meeting up with old friends or just feeling childlike and happy and enjoying life in December. Maybe you meeting up with people you haven't met for a very long time. There's a reconnection from old friends, family. That's the overall energy of your reading. But right now you could be in waiting mode. This is December, hasn't come yet. So yes, you could be kind of waiting to take that action, planning and looking into the horizon as to maybe somebody's coming to visit or you have to go somewhere, there's travel involved. There is something that you're waiting to decide or choose your path, let's say. Recent past, well, you were fired about something. Maybe you made some plans and they haven't yet come into fruition. You were excited, and this is the recent past energy, right? So you could have been really excited and fired up about this new thing that you want to do. And currently, as I'm doing the reading, you could still be in waiting mode to take off for this whatever path you are so excited about. So let's see, Sagittarius, I'm going to start your reading now. But of course, let's start with our Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you and then we'll do the December read. So, Lord Ganesha, for Sagittarius, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message from Lord Ganesha to Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, Lord Ganesha, for December. Something wanted to pop out, then it popped back in. So, there it is. So this is really thought about. Personal transformation is your card, Sagittarius. Personal transformation. Let's see what this has to say. This is, I think, the first time I've got a card like this. Personal transformation. So this is page 35. So you guys could be preparing for something, maybe taking care of your body, taking care of maybe buying new clothes or something like that. 35 is page 62. Page 62. Or maybe it's time to do some personal transformation. I'm quite curious. I've never had this card before. Your soul is assisting you with creating changes to align you with your life's purpose. Ganesha is pointing to the heavens and encouraging you to be open to new ideas of growth of your spirit. Listen to the still small voice within. You may have been feeling a strong desire to obtain or experience again a sense of meaning, inspiration, or purpose in your life. This is likely a time which you're making some significant adjustments to your life. These adjustments are helping you in the process of changing yourself from the old to the new you, Sagittarius, and you will soon benefit from a fresh perspective on life. You're in a great place now for honoring the person who you truly are or want to be. Rather than simply following a routine that has a little meaning for you, this is a profound spiritual journey that you're experiencing which brings greater meaning and purpose to your life. I told you, some of you are preparing for something new. This will renew your inner energy. Eliminate everything in your life that is not essential to your transformation. Realize that some of the activities may be in place simply to act as buffers or distractions from what is truly important. Allow the changes that are taking place and trust that a period of greater calm and stability will follow. Ganesha is calling you to your destiny. Your calls for guidance have not gone unnoticed, and you will ultimately find what you were yearning for. Beautiful message for you, Sagittarius. Like I said, you are preparing. You are preparing, right? You are thinking, preparing, waiting to take off. I'm going to take an angel blessing card as well, and then we'll do the next. My angels, what do you have for my Saggy gang for December? What do you have for Sagittarius? December, there it is. Okay. The card I have for you is forgiveness. It's time to forgive yourself. If you've been hard on yourself or anything that didn't work out in your life, Sagittarius, stop blaming yourself. You are the best. Remember that. Okay? Sometimes we become very hard on ourselves and we feel, all right, this is my routine, this is what I have to do, nothing will ever change. Stop. So spirit-wise, Sagittarius in the Two of Wands energy currently. I think most of you, your intuition is very, very high at the moment. And I think most of you also know that it's time now to release some of that burden, that heavy responsibility, or whatever you've been carrying. You are going to be, you're at least planning to. Right? It's time now. Your intuition is screaming at you to make some good changes in your life and drop anything that is becoming stressful or too much of a routine or too much of a burden to you. So what was Sagittarius thinking of in the recent past, Spirit, that sparked this newfound... You were making a choice. You were making a choice maybe to go on a journey, maybe start something new. This was a choice that you had to make, and you made it, I think. You did make it. And this has turned into some exciting new adventure of your life. Maybe something, or some of you could have been in, something which was boring and you felt it's never going to take off, and should I not? That choice had to be made, and once you made that choice, Sagittarius, it sparked something in you, sparked some excitement in you, which is now leading you forward. Because in December, I see you sitting here very strong as the Queen of Swords. You know what you want, and you're not going to take, any BS from anyone. What's this Queen of Swords energy, Spirit? Coming up for Sagittarius. The Six of Cups again. Six of Cups again. What is the Six of Cups that keeps coming up? I do see traveling. I do see, going far, or at least checking out your new horizons. This could also be waiting for, again, something. Maybe somebody, like I said, connecting with some people from your past, maybe family, friends, something. What's coming up, Spirit, for Sagittarius? Okay, you may have some fears. It's not going to work out. You may fear things are not going to go as planned. You have such a habit of feeling this is not going to work out. But guess what, Sagittarius? It is. It's going to be a very, very, very happy time for you. It's going to be feeling like, yes, I'm glad I made that decision. What can I say? This is the end. This is the end of feeling any kind of overwhelm or stress or feeling that I can never get up and do anything. I think in December, you're finally kind of getting your mojo back. You're finally sitting up straight with that one sword and say, hey, when I want something, I'm going to go out and get it, because I know my intuition tells me that I'm making the right decisions, right? So maybe some of you have that feeling, that always worrying that things are not going to go well. But I promise you that, Sagittarius, once you know what you want, I have the Ten of Cups along with that. It's going to be a really happy time for you. So, Spirit, what is Sagittarius holding on to, or should hold on to? The Hermit. Sagittarius. Oh, see again the same thing. Sagittarius, it's time to take action now. This is your card, right? The Knight of Wands. It's time to take action. Maybe you have been in hermit mode for too long. You've been holding on to this feeling that, you know what, none of my wishes will ever come true. I can never take action. But Spirit is saying, guess what? It's your time. Your time has come to be excited, passionate, to go forward and have nothing stop you. This is time now that you can now say, all right, I've learned my lessons. I've been in hermit mode for a long time, but now I'm all excited about the future. So what should Sagittarius let go of, Spirit? Ooh, okay. Why is the Eight of Wands here? Why should they let go of that? Feeling of lack. So it's saying if there's been a delay in maybe your forward movement or something, if there's been any kind of delay, you've always felt that, hey, I'll never have enough money to do that, or it'll never happen for me, I'll never, be able to buy this for myself or go to a certain place. Well, it's time for self-care. It's time for self-care and self-care only. This December is going to be your month, Sagittarius. This is a time which is going to propel you into fast forward action. There's huge action coming towards you. The only problem I see here is you. Let go of this, Spirit says. Everything will be done, everything will be provided as long as you forgive yourself and start doing wonderful things for yourself. Queen of Cups. So what can become Sagittarius' biggest blockage, Spirit, in December? What can I say to you, Sagittarius? Feeling you have the weight of the world on your shoulders and you can just not put it down. This can become a blockage. You have to release this. Why is the Ten of Wands going to become a blockage, Spirit, if they don't drop it? Because there's so much new coming for you. You have to be excited about life. Find that childlike innocence inside you, Sagittarius. There are new offers coming your way, new horizons opening up for you. And here you are saying, hey, look at this Knight offering the cup. Hey, do you want to try my cup? Sagittarius says, no, my hands are full. I mean, how can I take your cup? Because my life is burdened with all these wands and I don't have a hand free to accept anything new in my life. So this can become a burden. So Spirit saying, drop this. Drop this. This is all new offers which are coming your way. Grab them with both hands. How will people be seeing my Sagittarius gang in December, Spirit? The Emperor. Well, at the minute you drop all that naysaying energy that you have and forgive yourself, people are going to be seeing you top of your game once again, sitting on your throne, sitting in your power, taking back control of your life and doing a great job of it as well. Why will people be seeing my Saggy gang as the Emperor, Spirit? Transforming your life, completely transforming your life. And yes, I have the King of Swords now. This is at par with the Queen of Swords. So it doesn't matter whether you're a masculine or feminine watching Sagittarius. Very clear-sighted, very practical, deciding I'm going to transform my life. No more stagnation in my life. And I take back power. I take back control of what I want and what I want to be. Beautiful energy. So please, the only request I have, start enjoying the innocent fun things. No wonder the Six of Cups was here. This is like going back to a childlike energy and starting to enjoy life once again. So, Spirit, what's your secret message to my Saggy gang? Eight of Swords. Spirit says, get out of your head, Sagittarius. You have to get out. This is a prison that you've made for your own life, for your own self. Nobody's putting you in. So what Spirit is saying, we didn't put you into this overthinking and being in a mental prison of your own, making. These 8 swords are around you, not in front of you. You can just walk out of them anytime you want. Use one of these swords to cut off those, bandages or whatever you have around you. Pull that blindfold off. Choice is yours. We've given you an open path right in front of you. All you have to do is let go of that fear, right? That feeling over responsible, or feeling that, like I said, the weight of the world on your shoulders, and I can't move because if I move, what of this and what of that? Your spirit says, let go of that. That's spirit secret message to you. I'm not saying anything. Eight of Swords, spirit. Why is that your secret message to my Sag gang? Yes, this past chapter of your life has to be shut down. Sagittarius, spirit says we're presenting you with a brand new chapter of your life. So walk into it like a child, like a newborn child. Start enjoying the small things of life. That's a beautiful, beautiful energy to be in, Sagittarius. So I would request you, yes, this brand new baby that, God is making you, the universe is making you, the new chapter that's being presented to you. Just let go of this feeling stress and feeling burdened all the time and feeling I can never do it, I can never have it, because yes, new offers are coming your way. So even Lord Ganesha said the same thing, right? Personal transformation. The ball is in your court, Sagittarius. What are you going to do with this new cycle of yours? New chapter that the universe is presenting to you. So December is going to be a month for you to start transforming your inner self so that in 2022, well, your new life can begin. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.